Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are all linked specifically to one mini sub niche, and this is an amazing video to watch because you will get 5 keywords that you can freely use for the title, for the subtitle, or for your 7 keyword slots if you are creating a book on the sports trivia niche. So stay tuned. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. All of the keywords have been selected carefully and researched carefully using 4 free Chrome extensions, which I've analyzed in a video linked in the description box below. You can go ahead and click on the link in the description box below in order to access that video where I told you how to correctly use all 4 free Chrome extensions to do the same analysis that I'm doing for the keywords in this channel. Now let's jump to the first keyword for the day, and our first keyword for the day is football trivia questions. Now, football trivia questions is ideally to be used for the 7 keyword slots on any book that you currently have or you're willing to create in the future about football trivia, whether it's for adults, whether it's for seniors, or if it's for children or teenagers. This is a really general keyword to list as part of the 7 keyword slots for any sort of trivia sports book that you have created or that you're willing to create. First of all, let's break down the results. We have Self-Publishing Titans has given us some juicy data right over here, starting with a strong and solid green keyword niche score of 67. Also, we have a keyword niche score of number 7 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which categorizes this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. 67 and 7 both complement each other in terms of the keyword strength. Jumping to the total results, they are below 1,000, so they're sitting currently at 719. We also have the average bestseller rank on a little bit on the higher side, so it is currently 687,678. That's why I said that this is a great keyword to place in the 7 keyword slots instead of the title or subtitle, because of its slightly higher bestseller average rank and also its objectivity, its generalness. It's very general keyword. It can open the pathways and doors to other minis keywords that are connected to it as well, and it will really help you to get ranking. And the results are under 1,000. We've got a really good keyword niche score on both ends of the Chrome extensions that we're using. They complement each other beautifully. They also have an average reviews of 84, an average price of $10.76. Now scrolling down, we want to avoid the sponsored books, which are generally the top 3 books. Coming here, we do have a book that has a bestseller rank of 860,000. Scrolling down, there's also other books that are ranking quite well as well that are also selling. And we also have the interiors that you're able to find on Creative Fabrica. Sorry about that, a little bit of a tongue twist right over here. So you can go head over to Creative Fabrica, linked in the description box below. You can find a 30-day free trial where you can be able to go like search in the search bar, sports trivia, and then you can find some questions ready made for you, or you can even generate your own questions as well about sports trivia. You can even find some sports related graphics that you can use for your cover and for your interior as well. I'll also be creating some sports trivia books that come with full commercial license and full interiors ready for you to use. They will be available in my Creative Fabrica store as well, linked in the description box below, or you can go to creativefabrica.com/designers/Nora -AS, and you will find the interior in the next couple of days uploaded right over here to do with the keywords that I'll be sharing with you. And it will be a full interior. All you need to do is just make slight changes and re-upload to Amazon KDP that way. So let me know if it's something that you're interested. So the first keyword was football trivia questions. Let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and this has amazing potential, much better than the previous one, and it is also ideal to be included in either the title or subtitle. First of all, our keyword is football trivia books for kids 5 to 7. It's a very specific kind of keyword, long tail. We have the audience specifically stated that they are kids between the ages of 5 to 7, and it is a trivia type of book, and it's to do with football. So here we have the keyword niche score of 67. We have also the total results under 1,000, currently sitting at 469. We have the average bestseller rank under 300,000, and it is averaging 44,510. Average reviews are 1,325, and we have the average price of $10, which is also good to see. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension keyword niche score of number 4 because it does not complement the data that we have right here. We have a really good keyword niche score that we can rely on by Titans of 61, total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank under 300,000, and a really good whooping amount of reviews and a good price that will generate us a good rate per sale as well. So the next keyword, our third one, is football trivia games for adults. Now this is also very, very impressive. It has a strong and solid keyword niche score given by Titans of 83. And it also has a total results of 984. It has average bestseller rank of 119,285, average reviews of 859, and average price of a whooping $18.96. So we're going to ignore the number 5 given by the Amazon Scout Pro because it does not complement the data that we have right here. Total results under 1,000, bestseller rank under 300,000, and a really good and solid, beautiful keyword niche score of 83. Scrolling down, we do have a couple of really good books that are ranking quite well as well, that are also selling consistently under this keyword. So let's dive in and have a look at the fourth keyword for the day. And our fourth keyword for the day is football trivia games for boys 8 to 12. This is also impressive. Similar to the previous one, we have a keyword niche score of 84, strong and solid. We have a total results under 1,000 that are currently sitting at 676. We have an average bestseller rank to be under 300,000, which is ideal, and it is currently sitting at 48,361, and average reviews of 1,040, an average price of $18.29. I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon Scout Pro because it contradicts the data that we have right over here as well. And our final keyword for the day is sports trivia crossword puzzle books for adults. Beautiful, strong and solid keyword niche score of 73 by Amazon Scout Pro. Also a really strong keyword niche score of number 8 my apologies. A strong and solid keyword niche score of 73 by Self-Publishing Titans. A strong and solid number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is number 9 is the highest, so I'm pretty happy with number 8. Coming to the total results that are sitting at 1,088, which is within that 1,000 range. Average bestseller rank is currently within that 300,000-400,000 range, and it is averaging 455,474. Average reviews of 44, and average price is $11.01. Utilize these amazing keywords for the day. All 5 keywords are connected to the sports trivia niche. I wish you all the best.